amin ni Ben, marami rin first, kahit marami na rin projects kami. Lalo na yung mga nakita nyo, yung upcoming scenes. Yun, parang never pa namin naranasan yun together.
Parang napakaganda talaga nung nangyari dito sa Can't Buy Me Love. Maraming mga discoveries, yung mga inchcast, maraming closeness, marami kayong mamimiss. Pero kayo personally, ano yung mga behind the scene memorable experience niyo doing this teleserye? Marami na kayong ginawang projects, di ba, together. Pero what's in dito sa Can't Buy Me Love na memorable na hindi nyo malilimutan? And discoveries niyo sa isa't isa?
Ako, madami po. Madami kong first dito sa project. Makain ako ng balon, tawalan ako ng building. Lahat pala. Yeah, so many of those, and at the same time, siguro, like, I've been doing Caroline for how many months? 8 months? Yeah, and ang dami ko rin na-discover sa kanya, and like, every time I'm with the cast, with the Chu or the Binondo side, I could really say that they're my family outside of the show lang. And that's something that I would carry on even after this.
Yeah, sobrang dami po firsts din para sa amin. Actually, sa amin dalawa ni Bel, kasi yung teleserye, ibang usapan na yun kumpara sa Easy Tour, yung parang 12 episodes lang. Ito kasi talagang we live and breathe our characters at times. Talaga hindi namin nakakalimutan na minsan may doggy pa rin. Kasi grabe, everyday na kami nag-shoot. And first time ko rin maranasan na ang daming tumatawag sa akin na bingo talaga. And doon ko nakikita na okay, medyo pala maraming nanonood ng show. And it's nice because we got to also highlight the Chinese-Filipino side as well, diba? Sa Binondo. So, sa amin ni Ben, marami rin first, kahit marami na rin projects kami. Lalo na yung mga nakita nyo, yung upcoming scenes. Yun, parang never pa namin naranasan yun together. So, I've learned so much from her as well na hindi ko muna sabihin ngayon. Siguro after na ng buong show para makita nyo yung nalabasan. Pero ang masasabi ko lang, sobrang proud na ako sa kanya at sa buong cast. At sa everyone behind the scenes to put up such an amazing show that's been around for quite some time. So, thank you.